All right, so today we're going to be working with Microsoft Word and Copilot. So let's just jump right into Word. We're all very familiar with it, I'm sure. And I'm going to create a blank document. And what I want to do is I want to create a press release, and I'm not a super great writer, so I'm going to say, write me a press release announcing the delay in recalled bike parts and communicate Adventure Works bicycles, the next step to address the issue. Okay, I'm going to generate this. All right, so it's done all that. And now here's where I can fine tune it a little bit. I want this formal. Make it formal. Okay, I'm going to click go. So now it's going to rewrite that in a more formal way. Okay, I've reread this. I think I'm happy with this, so I'm just going to keep this. Okay, so now I have this document that I've created, and now I want to work a little bit more with it with Copilot. So let's open up Copilot by clicking up the icon here. Okay, and now we've all worked with presentations or Word documents where you almost can't see the forest through the trees, so you're searching it for names or things that should have been replaced, and is this hitting the mark where I needed to hit? So I'm going to ask a question, and in this question I'm going to say, does the press release mention the recalled part name? Kind of important. So let's see what we get. Perfect. According to the document, the press release does mention the recalled part name. The recalled part is the D2250 derailleur. Perfect. Okay, so I'm happy with that, and I'm just going to close this out. Okay, let's just do another quick little search of the document. Okay, now I think I'd like to add a little more to this because it is pretty light. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on this little Copilot here, and instead of saying I want to write more about this, I'm going to say, inspire me. All right, look at that. It created me a frequently asked questions area. Okay, yeah. Okay, how do I know if my bike has the D2250 derailleur? Okay, the model number is printed on the sticker. Okay, great. So that looks fantastic. So I'm going to keep this. Okay. Okay, scroll to the top. Yep, this all looks good. So I would save this and do with it what I want, either put it on my website or apply it or send it around. So now let's try a second document. So I want to make a job description. So now they're going to do a little blank document, and I'm going to reference a file so that it has more information to pull from. So what I'm going to do is bike mechanic job description, a generic one that we created. And what I'm going to say is create a hiring document for my new hire. All right. And then I'm going to click generate. Okay, so it's basically going out there and creating my job description. Okay, let's scroll to the top. Okay, so I'd like to make the intro more casual because, we're pretty fun. So join our team as a passionate and skilled bike enthusiast. Let's change that to casual. Okay, are you a bike lover who enjoys? Okay. Yeah, looks good. And I'm going to keep that. Okay, I'm going to scroll to the top. Okay, are you a bike lover? So this is what it changed. Do you want to join the team? And awesome. Okay. You know what? It's good, but I want to rewrite this. So let's rewrite. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Do you like working with bikes? He's in good shape. Okay. You know what? I like this better, so I'm just going to say replace. Perfect. Okay. So now that has added that in there. All right. And then once again, I can save this, put it on the website, do whatever I want to do with it. But those are just two really, really quick examples of how you can start your Microsoft Word documents. The key here is to get from like 0 to 80 and then do fine tuning, really saving a lot of time in that first part. So that's Word and Copilot.